Importing different client groups to TaxDome. Importing clients by groups not only saves you time but also creates consistency across accounts, making it easier to manage client information. I prepared a client import spreadsheet with all my client information. It includes both my monthly and quarterly bookkeeping clients. To keep them all organized within TaxDome, the best thing you can do is apply tags to categorize them. You can add those directly to the spreadsheet as a separate column. If a client should have multiple tags, then just separate them with a comma. I'll go to my Clients page and then click on the Import button. I'll start by uploading my spreadsheet, and in the first step, I'll map all the account details I need to the custom fields. You will want to make sure that the tags column from your spreadsheet is mapped here. If you need to make any changes, you can simply select what you want to happen with the fields here, meaning if the column will be used, and if you do use it, you will need to match it to the field of your choice. After you map everything you need, you can click Continue at the bottom of the menu and set up more account-specific information. At the top, you get to enable or disable these toggles, which will determine whether your clients will have access to the portal, whether they will receive emails and email notifications, and lastly, if you want to enable email sync. Next up, you will see a field for tags. This is an alternative way to apply tags to your clients. Anything you select here will be applied to everyone you're about to import. Using this field is only useful if everyone you're importing is the same client type and you don't have the tags in the sheet itself. Since I had multiple client types in my spreadsheet, I added the correct tags directly to the sheet, and as a result, I can leave this field here blank. The other two fields here are for choosing the assignee and also the folder template which will be used. Considering I will need different folder templates, I will leave this empty and I'll show you how to handle this right after we import the clients. After I click Continue, I will get to map the contact information. It works the same way as earlier when we mapped the account details. Right after I'm done with this step, I'll proceed and import the clients. After finishing the import, I'll quickly find one of the clients I imported, and you'll see that they have the tag from the spreadsheet. We definitely recommend handling the tag creation like this since it doesn't require any extra steps after the import. Now let's get back to the folder templates. I'll filter my clients list to only show me the clients with the monthly bookkeeping tag. I'll select them by clicking on this box and then selecting the Apply Folder Template option here in this menu. I'll then just choose the template I want to use, and it will apply to everyone I selected. I can then filter the list for my quarterly clients and do the same thing for them, but with a different template.